Hello, my name is Amit and we are learning Python. So this is module 5. So we have already discussed in the module 5, that is error. Exception handling. Exception handling in a Python is a way to gracefully manage error or unexpected event during the execution of a program. So program doesn't crash abruptly. So we have seen in the last class the type of error, that is syntax error, then import error, and after that attribute error, then name error, then type error, value error, then zero division error. Up to this zero division error we have discussed in the last class. Now there is a one more type of error, that is called indentation error. Fine. An indentation error in a Python occur when there is a problem with the space or a tab used to structure your code. Common cause of indentation error is inconsistent use of tab and space, missing indentation after a statement like if, for, while, def, and class, unexpected indentation, extra space where it's not required. For example, missing indentation. See this program. Let's copy this and paste into our Visual Basic Studio. See, def greet, then colon, after that print hello, then call the function greet again, so that it will print hello. Let's run the program. See, its error is coming, indentation error. Expected an indentation block after function defined on line 1. It means there is a program is correct, but we have to put it in a proper format. Let's suppose I have given a tab or a space. Now see, there is no error. Now run this program. So now this is hello. Hello is printing here. So now we have corrected the program. So this is called the indentation error. So that is we already defined here, that it caused due to the use of tab, inconsistent tab and space, missing indentation after the statement like if, for, while, def, class. So these are the cause the indentation error created in our program. Fine. Now come to the next topic, that is exception handling in a Python. Use try exception. Try and expect to handle exception gracefully. So let's see this program. We are using try. So import maths, print maths dot square 16, print 10 divided by 0, expect accept a zero division error, print you can't divide by 0. See, we are trying to run this program. There is no error in a program. Let's see. So it's called indentation error, expected indent. So how we can correct this? See, when we put this try in between this two space, it will automatically correct it. So copy this try and put after this square. Now this thing. Now let's run the program. Okay. Um, so square root of 16 is 4 and print 10 divided by 0. So you can't divide it by 0. We cannot divide it by 0 because after dividing something by 0 it will give error. So this is called try exception handling. After that, handling multiple exception. So multiple exception block. Each exception handle a specific type of exception. So this is our program. Try num input enter a number, that is result equal to 10 divided by number. We have to divide it by any number. Print result. Accept error value. Print invalid input. Please enter a number. Then accept zero division error. Print cannot divide it by zero. So let's try this. So try num equal to input. We have to input any number, and then result equal to 10 divided by number. This number, whatever the number we give as an input, it will give do the division. Then print result. This result. Then accept where value error, that is print invalid input. Let's suppose we give any unnecessary number which is not divisible. Then it gives the message like this: invalid input. Please enter a number. Or exception zero ending. Let's suppose we put a zero here, it will show the message like this: can't divide by zero. So let's run the program. So enter a number. If I enter a number like 2, so 2 divided 5, 10 divided by 5, it will give a 5. Result as a 5. Fine. Again run the program. Again ask the number. If I put 0, then cannot divide by 0. This message is printing this place. After that, again run the program. Now again put something like later. Invalid input. Let's suppose K. I'm sorry. K. I'm putting here K. 10 divided by K. Invalid input. Please enter a number. So step by step, program is given like this. Fine. Handling multiple exception. These are the multiple exception. First exception, second exception. That is called the multiple exception. Fine. Then single exception with multiple exception. Use a tuple to handle multiple exception type in a one block. So try num input a number, enter a number, result 10 divided by this number. Accept value error 0 error. We are putting here only one except. In the first program we put two except, step by step, first here and then here. But in this program I am going to put only one except, and there is two message, a value error message and division by 0 division error. So let's copy this and check it how it's look like. Okay, so program is little similar to the last program. Okay, asking number. Let's suppose I divide this number by 2. Sorry, just put it here, print result. Fine. Again run this program. Okay, enter a number. Let's suppose divided by 2, it's 5. Again it's asking for number. Let's suppose I give the 0. Error, division by 0. So here only one except I am using, and it will show the message like this. Again let me run this program once more. If I put K, oh sorry, when I put K here, then invalid letter for int with base 10K. So it will show the error. Fine. So I am using only one except here and reflect the message. Then catch all exception not recommended unless needed. This catches any exception useful for debugging or logging. So let's see this program. Try num input, same program, just copy it. try num equal to input a number, then result equal to 10 divided by number, then print result except exception as e, print f, and accept unexpected error occurred. Fine. Let me check the program once again. Else finally fine. Let's see. Run the program. Okay, asking for the number. Give any number. Let's suppose this time I am giving 5. Enter. Yes. So it's a 2 is the result. Again, run the program. Now, if I put 0, so unexpected error occurred, division by 0. This message, unexpected error division by 0. So here we use catch all exception. This catches any exception useful for debugging and logging. So we are using like this: print f and unexpected occur e. Fine. So optional else and finally we can use these two options also in our program like this. Okay. Try num equal to input a number, result 10 divided by num, except value error 0 division as a print handle error dot e, else print result is whatever the result we get, and then finally print executed finish. This is optional. If you want to use, otherwise not required. So our program is same as a previous program. So let's see. Enter a number. So let's put something like 5 and see. Result equal to executed finish. So result first it's give the result, this result, after that this message. Now let me put some error like 0 division divided by 0. Handle error division by 0. This message handle error division by 0 divided by 0. Executed finish. So we can use else finally. So these are the optionals. If you want to use, you can use, otherwise no problem. Let's move for the another topic, that is writing your own execution. In Python you can create your own custom exception by dividing a new class that inherit from the built-in execution class or any of its subclass. Basic syntax: class my custom error exception, custom exception, and pass. This is a basic syntax. We can write the program like this. So see the example, then we can understand. Example with uses: class age too small, error, then exception, raise when the input age is below 18. Fine. Then diff in init self age dot age equal to age, then self dot message equal to age is too small to vote. Whenever we put some age, it will take this and reflect the message like this. Then super dot int self message. After that, check voting eligibility age. If age is smaller than 18, raise age too small, otherwise like this. If I put 16, if age is less than 18, I'm sorry, 18, raise age too small, error age, else print eligible for both. Test the function try check voting eligibility 16, whatever age you want to put, then accept age too small error or as e, print custom exception cows. Fine, let's run this program. Copy this. have first give the basic syntax whatever we discuss in our top of this program. Yeah, the basic syntax is class my custom error custom exception pass. So just we are writing the program like this: class age to a small error exception, then it's a just a node that is commented raise when the input age is below 18. Okay, then diff init self age self dot age equal to age self dot message equal to f age, then this age here is too small to vote. After that super init self message, then check diff check voting eligibility age. If age is less than 18, raise to a small error age, else print eligible to vote. Then test the function try check voting eligibility, whatever the age we are putting here it will reflect the message like this. Let's run the program. Okay, custom exception calls age 16 is too small to vote. Fine, if I put 19, let's see, eligible to vote. So this is writing your own exceptions. So we can write our own exceptions like this. So check the program again. Okay, like this we can put our. So in Python you can create your own customer exception by defining a new class that inherent from built-in exception class or any of its subclass. So that we discussed today. Fine, so we have completed the model 5th. Fine, so error handling and then exception handling in Python. After that, handling multiple exceptions. After that, writing your own exception. So this is 5th model we have completed. Thank you.